Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. So let's get started right away. If you wish to block someone from your Facebook account, then first of all, open up your Facebook application. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can scroll through the news feed. Now, if you wish to block anyone on Facebook, then you can simply first of all look for their profile. Use the search box and search for the person that you want to block. Once you find the person that you want to block, go ahead and open up their profile and then tap on the three dots alongside the message or the add button. Once you tap on the three dots, you will find the block option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this person. You also have the option to take a break instead, but if you are sure that you want to block them, tap on the block button. And now this user will be blocked on your Facebook account. Tap on the close button, and if you wish to unblock them, you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then from the menu page, tap on the gear icon at the top right. From this page, scroll down until you find the blocking section, and when you tap on it, you will be shown all of the profiles that you have blocked. From there, you can tap on the unblock button and block any user that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block any user on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.